Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I'm going to be creating a Christmas themed chip bag as well as a Halloween themed chip bag. You guys, I have recorded it. Something went wrong. I don't know what, but I'm doing this again. Okay, so I completely trashed my first idea. I didn't like it. It was exactly what I just said. It was trash. So I downloaded some new images and hopefully these will look right for what I'm trying to do and achieve. Hopefully. Alright, let's see.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, sir.
Hi.
Okay, so alright, so now what do I want to put in the middle? So of course I could always put, you know, Santa Claus.
It was still wet. How?
Could put Santa Claus flying through the sky.
You felt it? And why?
But of course I'm left-handed, so I want him coming in from the left.
Yeah. That makes a lot more sense.
I know, right? It does, right? And then, I don't know, let's put a Christmas tree down here in the town. Shoot. Boys and girls want a Christmas tree. So let's put a big old Christmas tree down here.
Is Christmas coming soon?
Girl, it's coming too fast. You just don't know, girl. It's almost her.
Oh, yeah. Someone showed me on TikTok how much more days until Christmas.
Yeah, you see it's coming up fast. Huh?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's shrink these presents down. Too big, too big. Shrink them down some more. What else you think I should add, Ayla? See something else over here? What about the little snow globes? I think they're pretty.
Where are we gonna put them?
Let's put the snow globe. Let's put one on the back. Matter of fact, let's put two on the back. Let's put one on this side too. I like them. Snow globes are awesome. Shoot.
Height now? No, just about that height now. Get better, guys. Better.
So I gotta move all my stuff forward.
Either you like me to love you. That's why.
Alright, y'all. I'm not really feeling this red border. For some reason, I'm not.
For what? I did? He said yes.
Let's copy it. Paste. Now let's shrink it down some.
What? It said so my back.
Wow.
Maybe let's do that blue color. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay. Okay, that's what I was missing. Oh my gosh, please stop.
So,
my husband is playing his game. You got to excuse him. Alright, looking good, looking good. Now let's go ahead and get some words up in here. Insert. I just downloaded a font. Okay, that looked great. Let's see. Oh no.
Just cut through the defense. Salt Lake City calls timeout. After timeout, a chance to review the lineups, matchups.
Trying to get these things to line up. And then, of course, on the back, let's say, you know, thanks so much for coming out to celebrate with us. Then let's put this on the back. Okay, not bad. Not bad. I think that actually looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, now let's go ahead and take all of this off. Let's start all the way over. Let's do Halloween. That's what's coming up, Halloween. Do you guys have anything planned for Halloween? Like, is anybody throwing any parties, trick-or-treating? I know everything is gonna look and be different this year. Okay, so let's see what I would like for a background. Am I going for a really scary type of feel or something fun for the kids? So let's go with this. This one's not bad. Okay, let's go with this. Let's change the color of this to, let's try to get that orange color from the pumpkins. Or brown. Shoot, that look more brown than anything. Let's get the eyes there. I'm not really feeling that too much at all. Ew. What if we get this purple color? Nope, that's terrible. Alright, what if we get this? Let's see about this dark purple. What? I don't know, y'all. I say let's just go with it for right now. Just go with it. Okay, let's work through this. We're gonna make this work. Shrink this down, and now let's make this that orange color maybe. Look, I don't know. We're gonna make it work. Let's go ahead, copy this, and paste it down here as well. Okay, we got something. We doing something. Okay. Now, what are we going to pull in here for images? We're going to use Hello Kitty, or we're going to use this owl. We're going to try to use this. What is this? That looks like something. The witch. Alright, we got all these things. see what we gonna do. Not sure if I really. Nah, I don't like that. Okay, bye. You're gone. All right, come on, Hello Kitty. We're putting you out here in the woods. You going to Grandma's house. Still a little bit taller. All right, let's put Halloween up here. Or should we put the Happy Halloween? Yeah, let's put the Happy Halloween. Now let's see if we can get rid of the background. Set transparent.
What?
Let me insert a little tiny white background, just so you can see through to these you know, through the letters. And then let's send it back. Oh shoot, where did I just send it to? Okay, there we go. Now you can see Halloween much more clear. Okay, I like that. I'm happy. Okay, let's put these fun guys on the back. Let's put the little owl back here like it's standing on the tree. Yep, let's put him right there. Perfect. Insert.
Come on, man. All right. Go.
Okay, that was actually pretty easy. That was not hard at all. Matter of fact, let's see if we could change this, if it would look better. Let's get the same color. It does. And then let's see if we can change this to maybe that purple color on the owl. Okay, so you guys can pretty much play around with this and do this to your liking or whatever, you know, the colors is for your theme. But you guys, okay, there's two different designs. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.